Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share a red chili drawing with you all. I have shown the steps of this drawing one by one, and I have written the names of the colors I used in the corners. Please check them. In this drawing, I used Brustro toned paper, Brustro artist color pencils, and Dom's brush pens. One important tip: whenever you make a drawing, always place a plastic sheet behind your drawing page. This will help keep your drawing safe. You guys watch my videos but don't like, comment or subscribe. So hurry up and subscribe, friends. I put a lot of effort into making these videos. Now there's not much to say. Just keep watching the full tutorial and enjoy the process. A new video is coming very soon. Stay connected with the video. See you in another new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and happy drawing.